Hey guys, this is my new Zeagoo women's cross front v-neck ruche cap sleeve top. So this is a super cute fit. You can see it fits perfectly in the chest, and then you've got a little bit of sleeve coverage there. The material of it is so soft. It is super high quality feeling on. It's like a soft cotton blend with spandex on there, so you get lots of stretch. And I do feel like you could really dress this up or make it more on the casual side. So I've paired it with some shorts here, but I could definitely see it with like some white leggings or white jeans as well. It really is a versatile piece. I do feel like it is very much true in color to the photos. And if you're between sizes like me, I'm usually between a medium or large, you could potentially size up or size down. I had gone with the larger size, but I feel like a medium would have worked well on me too. So just keep that in mind for ordering. Definitely recommend it. Check it out.